Replacement Doors Loves Park is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in entry door replacement, ensuring your home is both stylish and secure. We offer a wide range of door styles, including energy-efficient doors and custom doors, tailored to meet your specific needs. For those seeking door services in Loves Park, our selection of sliding doors and French doors provides the perfect blend of functionality and elegance. Our sliding replacement doors. Loves Park services are designed to offer seamless operation and aesthetic appeal, while our French door installation adds a touch of sophistication to any home. Door replacement Loves Park services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your doors. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all types of door replacements, from minor adjustments to major overhauls. We also provide comprehensive door maintenance services to keep your doors in top condition year-round. Custom Doors Loves Park are a popular choice for homeowners looking to make a statement. Our custom door solutions allow you to choose from a variety of door materials, finishes, and hardware to create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. We also offer door customization services to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Energy-efficient doors. Loves Park are an excellent investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient doors includes options with advanced insulation and weatherproofing features, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Replacement doors. Loves Park services are essential for ensuring the structural integrity of your doors. Our team can assess and replace damaged or outdated door frames, providing a secure and stable foundation for your new doors. We also offer door fitting services to ensure a precise and professional installation. Interior door replacement. Loves Park is a great way to update the look and feel of your home. Our selection of interior doors includes a variety of styles and materials, from classic wood to modern composite options. We provide expert door fitting services to ensure a seamless installation. Exterior door installation. Loves Park is a key component of enhancing your home's security and aesthetic appeal. Our range of exterior doors includes options for every style and budget, from traditional to contemporary designs. We also offer door security solutions to keep your home safe and secure.